Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to lay this natural looking wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. I'll show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. As you guys can see, it's very long and it came pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So the only thing you have to do is pick it up from the packet, put it on and cut out the spare lace in front, and you're good to go. I use the Got to Be Glue gel, but you can use the Got to Be Glue hairspray. It works very well as well. And if you're wondering, the wig is from Xrsbeauty. So they have 3 different lace options. I'm gonna try it and you guys will tell me what you think about them. So we have the clear lace right here, we have the regular brown lace, and then we have the regular transparent lace. So this is the clear lace, and this is the regular brown lace, and then this is the transparent lace. So you guys, please tell me which one you think melts into my skin more. I think this one, this transparent lace, does more justice to my skin. It suits my skin color more than these other ones right here. So as you guys can see, I have the clear lace on here, but you hardly notice that there's a lace, like you won't even believe it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I installed the wig. I absolutely love this wig. It's very long, and everything that has to do with the wig will be in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the hair. So it came in this orange color box. And it also came with this 4 slashes pack and the comb and the wig cap. So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it's very long and it's really soft. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So pack it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the wig. I want you to be my so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh. Then now I'll be applying my Got to Be Glue gel. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder. And then I'll be applying the free spray. And then I'll blow it with my air dryer a little bit to make it tacky. Then I'll put on my wig. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky, bad man, I see. Bulaka. After that, I'm gonna tie a scarf and leave it for a few minutes. And then I'm going to take off the scarf. So right here I'm just drawing it a little bit more.
So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be my so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and be the.
So right here, I just want to clean up the little shine on the lace. I'm using Spirit to do that. And then I'll be applying a little bit of oil on the hair, the wig. Then I'm going to comb it out with my hot comb.
So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for.
And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful and it looks so natural. I'm in love with this wig. The way that you carry your body, say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She wanna buy. So right here, I'm just gonna quickly create like a side pattern. You are murder me. You are murder me. You are murder. And then here I'm just applying a little bit of edge tamer to, you know, secure all the flyover hairs. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. And that's pretty much it guys. I absolutely love this wig and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also please share this video with your friends and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. His body, baby.